Oh howdy, and welcome back to my channel. Today is a cleaning day, as I have been neglecting this for some time. But first, I am making coffee. So, I suggest you grab some coffee as well, because this is probably going to be an all-day thing. Here is the soap that I use by Love Home and Planet. Scrubbing my spoons and using a cup to put the silverware in so that it makes for an easy rinse when I'm done and not waste any water. This here is my coffee mug. It's really handy, keeps things hot for multiple hours. It's time to let in my cat at 10 a.m. sharp every morning. Hello, Ori. Oh, okay, nice to see you too. Once again, Love Home and Planet. This is a rose-scented spray, and my favorite one, to be honest. It does the job, and it smells nice, and you don't have to worry about, having any bad chemicals absorb into your body when you touch this, so I don't have a problem. And now I'm just gonna finish up my dishes because, if you keep up on your dishes at least every day, I try to wash my dishes when I wake up and while I'm drinking my coffee, it won't be that big of a deal. Now I'm just cleaning my chessboard. It gets a little dusty from time to time because nobody really likes to play chess with me. For some reason, maybe because sometimes it takes a really long time to play. I don't know. But anyway, yeah, cleaning my chessboard and cleaning the platform, which is also an ottoman, which is super awesome because, it's basically the same size as my chessboard and it makes an excellent piece to place in the center of my room and just brings my chairs together. It's just a really nice thing to look at. I don't know. Making sure the corners are, pretty spot on to the whole thing. Making sure they all line up. And now to put the pieces back on. I sped this up because it can be kind of tedious, especially remembering where all the pieces go. Alrighty, now it is time to sweep up all of my cat's hair that has somehow floated underneath everything, and making sure that it doesn't fly around anywhere else. Moving my chairs. These are neat. They're vintage chairs which have wheels on them, which makes moving them around super handy because they're super fragile. And then thinking that I can just push this along the floor until I realize I'm scratching the floor. I have to figure something out. I don't know, maybe I'll just tip it, walk it, slide it. Oh god. Alright, back to sweeping. Normally when I sweep, I try to move as many things out of the way because, you can't just sweep without moving things. It doesn't make any sense. Like, everything's just gonna have more dust on it and it's just gonna accumulate. So, move things around, sweep behind stuff, bend over. Sweeping from the bathroom down back into the original dirt pile that I had created, just so that I am not tracking around dirt. Alright, so here I have two bottles. This one has vinegar, and this one has the good stuff that's original. The rose spray from Love, Home, and Planet. Here's my boyfriend, oh god, I'm friendly. Okay, and now I usually spray vinegar first on the floor, just so that it dampens the floor, and it's also a really good cleaner anyway, disinfects things. Then I will, spot wipe it with a, what's it called, a Swiffer mop. And I'm just using a dry Swiffer pad. I don't really like the wet mops, because number one, it's got chemicals. I have no idea where they come from, and I don't really want to touch them, so I'm just using a dry mop with a spray, which is Love, Home, and Planet. Vinegar first. Vinegar is a natural cleaner. This is distilled white vinegar, by the way, in case you're curious. It is in a empty Love, Home, and Planet bottle that I used up, and I'm just spraying it to get up any dirt and, disinfect it as well, because y'all know how scarce disinfectant is. So when I do my bathroom, I spray my shower first with scrubbing bubbles, because nothing is really stronger than that right now. And then I'll just spray vinegar on my sink and give it a light wipe, because it's really not that dirty today. So I'm just giving it a quick wipe with some vinegar spray. And then normally I take out my garbage, but a quick little handy tip for lazy people like me: keep your garbage bags near your garbage so that you just take it out. And now I'm sweeping. And now I spray the toilet, and I am using not vinegar, but the actual Love, Home, and Planet spray. I spray the toilet seat first, and then I wipe the back, because I don't want to spread, butt germs all over, or, you know what I mean. Stuff splashes, and you don't want to wipe the stuff that splashed onto the toilet seat first. So clean the toilet seat first, and then do the dirty wiping later. I try to get every little groove. See, that's why I'm using a glove, because it's disgusting. Ugh. I live with two guys, a roommate, and my boyfriend. Yeah. Then you gotta lift the seat, spray the seat. I love this spray because it not only cleans really well, but it makes everything smell super nice. Wiping the underneath of the toilet, because that gets disgusting as well. Ugh. Alright, and then wiping the edge of the toilet, because I don't know why, pee cannot go in the toilet. Alright, scrubbing the toilet real quick. I've been doing a good job keeping up on this, so this is really just a light cleaning, but, I'll maybe make a video of a heavy-duty clean. Who knows? Depends. And most importantly, when you clean your toilet, make sure you clean the bottom of the toilet, especially if you live with a bunch of dudes, because they'll be pissing all over that shit, and it'll just get all over the toilet, and it's disgusting, and you really just don't want to touch your legs on it. It's nasty. Alrighty, once my shower is done marinating, I just go to town with scrubbing. Excuse me. Now I'm going in with more Love, Home, and Planet on the floor, and giving it a quick wipe. And once I finished mopping, I placed down my bath mat, and, after it's dry, of course. Now I'm going to go take some wax and a wax warmer and a little tea candle, and I'm going to take all of that, and I'm gonna go and put it in the bathroom. And now for the end result. This is 5 hours of cleaning. Everything seems to be in tip-top shape. I've got everything in order, I suppose. Even my cat has more food in his bowl. I'm sure he'll be ecstatic about that. Alrighty, and the best place in which, you know, I want guests to feel the most welcome is my living room. And here is my decorative plate, which I had gotten at Goodwill before they closed. Another shot of my chessboard, nice and clean, no dusty. Look at that. In my bathroom, I also did some redecorating, not just cleaning. I don't know if y'all caught what my, top looked like when you saw it in the bathroom, but you'll see it in just a moment after I show you this glistening toilet. Look at that, even the back is so clean. Get it? Alright, here is what I was talking about with the redecoration on top of the terrarium. It's not so boring. And my shower, look at that, clean. Because there's nothing worse than, a disgusting shower when you walk in, like, the bottom is full of, like, black stuff. I don't know, my generation is not that clean. Alrighty guys, and that was it. If you liked this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you want more content, or if you want to know when it's coming out, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Every Monday and Tuesday I come out with something new. So I hope to see you then. Have a good day and enjoy cleaning your houses. Take care.